So today we'll handle errors with the try catch block. Since we're working on the error handling, open the folder error handling. Open index.html. To check the preview, right click and click open with live server. Then open app.js. In the previous video, we finished the project using async await, but it doesn't handle rejected promises. So let's use try catch block to handle exceptions when using async await. Create a new async function, get JSON. Add URL as a parameter. Try catch consists of two main blocks, try and catch. Try will contain all the code that needs to be executed. Any code inside catch will be executed if an exception is thrown in the try block. So in try, add const response equals await fetch URL. Then add return await response.json. In the catch, add error. Then use the throw statement to throw an error. Now, in the getAllPeople function, we will no longer call the fetch. Instead, we will call getJSON function. So delete this code and set the value of peopleJSON to await getJSON, passing it the URL to fetch. Then I will also delete this code, and in profile.json use await getJSON passing wiki URL plus person.name. Finally, to handle any other errors which may occur in our async code and display the custom message, let's add the catch method at the event listener. Then add people.innerHTML equals. In the s3 tag, add something went wrong. Also add console.error and pass err. Now let's break the URL. If you open the console and click the View All button, we can see the error message and we can see the error in the console. Great. This is the end of this final session. Thank you so much for choosing my YouTube channel to learn asynchronous JavaScript with Project. I will see you again in my next video.